Promotes relaxation. Lavender essential oil is known for its relaxing properties and can help you unwind and de-stress. Using this spray on your linens can create a calming atmosphere in your bedroom and promote better sleep. Natural scent. Unlike commercial fabric sprays that often contain synthetic fragrances, this lavender linen spray is made with natural ingredients. Essential oils are derived from plants and provide a pleasant, natural scent. Antibacterial properties. Lavender essential oil has antibacterial properties that can help eliminate odors and bacteria on your linens, leaving them fresh and clean. Chemical-free. This linen spray recipe is free from harsh chemicals and synthetic fragrances that can irritate sensitive skin or cause respiratory issues. It's a natural and safe alternative for those who are sensitive to chemical-laden products. One cup distilled water. 2 tablespoons witch hazel or vodka. 10 to 20 drops of essential oil of lavender. In a spray bottle, combine 1 cup of distilled water and 2 tablespoons of witch hazel or vodka. Add 10 to 20 drops of essential oil of lavender to the mixture, depending on how strong you want the scent. Close the spray bottle and shake well to combine all the ingredients. Spray the lavender linen spray onto your bed sheets, pillowcases, or any other linens that you want to freshen up.